If you've been battling acne, you know the struggle is more than skin deep. Harsh creams and chemicals often do more harm than good. But what if I told you that the key to clear, healthy skin is sitting right in your kitchen? In today's video, we're uncovering 10 natural, science-backed remedies that will help you kick acne to the curb. No prescriptions, no filters, just results. Welcome to Ignite Health. Please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. 1. Tea tree oil, the pimple assassin in a bottle. Tea tree oil isn't just trendy. It's clinically proven to fight acne-causing bacteria. IT penetrates your skin to unclog pores and kill the bacteria trapped inside. Mix 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts carrier oil, like jojoba or coconut. Dab it directly on pimples and watch inflammation fade within hours. Avoid using it raw. It's powerful stuff and can irritate sensitive skin if undiluted. Think of this as your plant-powered spa treatment. 2. Honey plus cinnamon mask, a sticky situation that works. This combo isn't just for toast, it's skincare gold. Honey is a natural humectant, pulling moisture into your skin while fighting microbes. Cinnamon boosts circulation and kills bacteria lurking in your pores. Mix 2 tablespoons raw honey plus 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off for instantly calmer, softer skin. It's like a spa day in a bowl. Your face will love you. 3. Fresh aloe vera, the plant that heals everything. Forget the bottled stuff. Straight from the leaf, aloe vera is the real MVP. It's rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Slice the leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply directly to clean skin. Use it overnight as a lightweight, healing moisturizer. Redness? Irritation? Sunburn? Aloe's got your back. Your skin will literally drink this up. 4. Apple cider vinegar, the acidic balancer. It might smell strong, but ACV is a secret weapon for balancing your skin's pH. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal, perfect for acne-prone skin. Mix 1 part ACV to 3 parts water. Apply with a cotton pad post-cleanse. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse well, and follow with moisturizer. Never apply undiluted. It can burn or dry out your skin. It's like a toner, but smarter, sharper, and straight from nature. 5. Green Tea Tonic, antioxidants on tap. Green tea isn't just for sipping. It's a skincare powerhouse. Its EGSG content reduces sebum, oil, production, and calms irritation. Brew a strong cup, let it cool, then use it as a toner or face mist. Freeze it into cubes and use as an anti-acne ice facial. Drinking 2 cups a day enhances the results from within. It's skincare you can sip and swipe on. 6. Oatmeal and yogurt mask, calm, cool, and cleansed. Perfect for inflamed, angry skin. This mask is pure comfort. Oats soothe irritation and gently exfoliate. Yogurt delivers probiotics that restore your skin barrier. Mix equal parts plain, cooked oatmeal and unsweetened yogurt. Apply for 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel like it just woke up from a 10-hour nap. 7. Witch Hazel, nature's astringent. This underrated toner tightens pores and tones skin without drying it out. Derived from the bark and leaves of the witch hazel shrub, it's anti-inflammatory magic. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing. It shrinks pimples, calms redness, and reduces oil. Look for alcohol-free versions to avoid over-drying, but it's gentle enough for daily use and strong enough to fight flare-ups. 8. Turmeric spot treatment, the golden glow hack. Turmeric's curcumin compound is anti-everything, bacterial, inflammatory, and oxidative. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric with a few drops of honey or rose water. Apply only to affected areas. It will stain light skin and clothes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with a warm, damp cloth. Don't be scared of the color. This is ancient skincare science at work. 9. Lemon juice, brightens scars, kills bacteria. Fresh lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C and citric acid. Use it only on dark spots or scars, not all over your face. Dab gently with a Q-tip at night and rinse after 10 minutes. Always use sunscreen the next day. Lemon makes your skin sun-sensitive. A little goes a long way. Think of this as a brightening boost, not a daily routine. 10. Cucumber therapy. Cool down your complexion. Cucumber is more than a spa day prop. It's full of hydration and anti-inflammatory magic. Blend into a paste or slice thinly and apply over skin. Keep it chilled for extra soothing power. Great for puffy eyes, irritated breakouts, or a full face refresh. Mother Nature's version of a cooling gel and totally edible. Bonus tip: your skin reflects your gut health. All the remedies in the world won't help if your body is fighting internal inflammation. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Add skin-loving foods like leafy greens, flax seeds, berries, and probiotic yogurt. Cut back on sugar, dairy, and greasy foods. They often trigger acne. Healthy skin is 80% what you put inside your body. Don't sleep on this. And there you have it, 10 powerful, natural remedies that actually work. No BS, no fluff, just nature doing its thing. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more real skincare advice. Until next time, stay radiant, stay real.